Yo, what's up? We back with another YouTube video. Today's basically Christmas Eve, and what we're gonna do in this video is that we're gonna go visit Longwood Gardens. Longwood Gardens is basically just like a big garden place where they usually have like a lot of flowers, a lot of different trees and stuff like that. But usually during the holiday time they change it up, and it's basically all like Christmas, oriented. So they got a whole bunch of Christmas trees, a whole bunch of lights, everything like that. So we're gonna go check it out and see how it is. The one thing that I did mean to do was basically I wanted to buy tickets over the past weekend, but when I went to go buy them last week, they were all pretty much sold out. So the only day I can really get was today, Christmas Eve, around 8 p.m. I had to take a gamble on this time because I was like the Apple app and the Weather Channel app, they were all just saying oh, it's gonna rain like crazy. So I was like, all right, it's 60% raining, might as well just buy the ticket, hopefully it clears up, but right now I'm checking, it's supposed to rain 2 inches, supposed to be super windy. I think it's I forgot what the name of the hurricane was, or some weather, big storm or something, but some crazy storms coming through tonight. So hopefully, hopefully in a perfect world it's not that crowded in there and I could just, record as much as I want. But worst case would be it's raining non-stop, so you never know. So it's gonna take about 40-45 minutes for me to get over there. But once I get over there, I'm gonna start recording a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna take you guys along. The one thing about Longwood Gardens was in the past couple of years I always wanted to go here, but I feel like Longwood Gardens is something where you need to either take your girlfriend or something, or take family members and stuff like that. It's more for I feel like it's more of a relationship type of thing. But for me, I've been so focused on myself, so focused on my career, I haven't really dated over the past couple of years, so I'm oh, but I still want to go. This year is all about trying new things, whether it's with somebody or without, still gotta go for it. So yeah, we're gonna go, we're gonna see Longwood Gardens. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and we'll see how it is. So we'll be back in a sec. All right, we just arrived at Longwood Gardens, about to go in. At the moment the rain kind of slowed down at the moment, and it doesn't look too busy, probably because it's Christmas Eve, plus it's supposed to rain like crazy, so it might not be too bad. Hopefully it just drizzles through the whole night and I can get some good footage for you guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys inside.
The world outside turns frosty white, a chill is in the air. The lights are hung and everyone has snowflakes in their hair. My favorite time of year is full of Christmas cheer. And when I see the stars on trees are sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. Kitchen smells like peppermint, firewood and pine, and all the kids on Santa's list are looking to the sky. My favorite time of year, when worries disappear, and when I see the stars on trees are sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. Skates, they search for mistletoe. They spread their arms in their backyard to angels in the snow. My favorite time of year is full of Christmas cheer. And when I see the stars on trees are sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. That's how I know it's December. snowflakes in their hair. My favorite time of year is fall of Christmas cheer. And when I see the stars on trees all sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. The kitchen smells like peppermint, firewood and pine, and all the kids on Santa's list are looking to the sky. My favorite time of year, when worries disappear, and when I see the stars on trees all sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. A frozen lake, a couple skates, they search for mistletoe. They spread their arms in their backyard, two angels in the snow. My favorite time of year is fall of Christmas cheer. And when I see the stars on trees all sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. That's how I know it's December, darling. The world outside turns frosty white, a chill is in the air. The lights are hung and everyone has snowflakes in their hair. My favorite time of year is fall of Christmas cheer. And when I see the stars on trees all sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. The kitchen smells like peppermint, firewood and pine, and all the kids on Santa's list are looking to the sky. My favorite time of year, when worries disappear, and when I see the stars on trees all sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. A frozen lake, a couple skates, they search for mistletoe. They spread their arms in their backyard, two angels in the snow. My favorite time of year is fall of Christmas cheer. And when I see the stars on trees all sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. That's how I know it's December, darling. The world outside turns frosty white, a chill is in the air. The lights are hung and everyone has snowflakes in their hair. My favorite time of year disappear. And when I see the stars on trees are sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. A frozen lake, a couple skates, they search for mistletoe. They spread their arms in their backyard, two angels in the snow. My favorite time of year is full of Christmas cheer. And when I see the stars on trees are sparkling, that's how I know it's December, darling. That's how I know it's December, darling.
We just finished Longwood Gardens. You know, I loved every moment of it. You know, besides the super heavy rain and like the 50-mile wind gusts, you know, so I would definitely recommend it for sure. Definitely come here, you know, especially during Christmas time when it's like all decked out with like Christmas stuff. You know, it's definitely worth the experience, you know, 100%. You know, definitely just don't come when it's like raining like a hurricane or like a monsoon out here. You know, the wind was crazy, the rain was crazy, you know, but I definitely still enjoyed every moment of it. So if you have any other things you want me to do in the future, you know, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. You'll probably see this after Christmas, maybe around like New Year time or something. But yeah, have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, you know, have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, see you guys later. Peace.